Hi everyone. Good evening all of you. So hope you are all doing well. All of you. Everyone had your snacks, all of you, or not? So audio both are clear, everyone. Somebody just check it and tell me. Right. So we'll be continuing our discussion on this all-state PSC PYQs of surveying part. Okay, all-state PSC PYQs of surveying will be continuing our discussion. So which part, how many questions we have done yesterday? We have done some questions yesterday and we will be continuing with those questions today also. So and this compass surveying only will be continuing. Okay, tomorrow will be holiday and again Monday will be having class. Okay, right. So here what is it you can say? So all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone is ready to crack, all of you, or not ready to crack? Everyone get ready to crack, all of you, right? Don't miss cracking. You have to crack always. You have to be ready to crack always, right? So because if you are ready always, then only you can get anything, right? Whatever you want, right? But if you are not ready every time, you cannot get anything, right? So you should be ready 24/7 for your goal, for achieving your goal, you can say. Okay, so get ready for your goal and let's crack it, right? RP Civil Live is a referral code you have to use always. So whenever you are subscribing to the Pleasant Iconic courses, what is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use always. Right. So now this is my profile. You can follow me at which that blue color banner is there, na? It is pinned given. So that one you can follow me by clicking on that. You can get which one? You can get my profile in Unacademy. So you can find all my free classes there, plus courses going on, and everything is going on there. You can find out. Okay, right. Now coming to this, RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use, right? For enrolling any combat event or for unlocking the free classes, right? For everything you have to use which code? RP Civil Live is a free. RP Civil Live is a code you have to use always. Okay, what is the code you have to follow always? RP Civil Live is a code you have to follow, right? These are all the subjects I'll be taking in this platform. And now coming to this, right? Now coming to this, what is it you are having? Right, this is the chance to shape your GATE and ESE 2023 preparation. Right, how can you shape? You can say, how can you shape your chance? How can you shape your chance for GATE 2023 preparation? Right, you can shape your chance by means of this ultra combat event. Right, uh, tomorrow will be the date for this ultra combat event at 11 a.m. it will be having. Don't miss this, all of you. These are all the gadgets you will be getting, and many people will stand a chance of what scholarships, right? 100% scholarship also you can get it, you can see here. Yes, no? So don't miss this chance, all of you. Now coming to this, those who are taking Iconic subscription will get which one? This physical notes, right? Unacademy notes has given up for plus students only. You can access in the app, but for these students, Iconic students, you will be getting these physical notes, yes, no? So the printed version of these notes you will be getting. These are all GATE 2022 toppers from Unacademy. These are all ESC 2021 toppers from Unacademy, you can say. Okay, coming to this Lakshya batch, and this is a new batch, right? What is one more batch you can say? So this is your Pragati batch, right? These two batches are going to be starting on 27th April. Don't miss this, all of you. So here Unacademy Lite subscription, right? Unacademy Lite subscription you can take only for test series point of view. Okay, right. So coming to this discussion, so where we have stopped yesterday, and we'll be continuing from there only today also. So here YouTube live class on which one? This is surveying all-state PSC PYQs part 26, you can say, right? Part 26, right? Right. So what is the topic? Numericals on bearings, included angles and declination, you can say, right? 224th question, right? Try to select the answer of you, everyone. 224th question. Everyone try to write your answer, all of you. Anyone is there? Write your answer. Anyone? Any answer by anyone? Shall I start solving? Okay. So magnetic bearing of a line AB was north 59 degree 30 minutes west, right? North 59 degree 30 minutes west means, so here what is this one? This is your north, you can say. This is your south, and what is this? You can say this is your east and this is your west, you can say. So what is it? North 59 degree 30 minutes west, right? Whenever it is north 59 degree 30 minutes west, right? What is it? You can say here, if you just observe. So this is your location. AB line is located at this place, right? What is it? You can say north to west, and which angle you are having? That 59 degrees 30 minutes is the angle you are having, let us say, right? So what is this value? This is your alpha, if you just observe, right? That is your alpha, right? Two ways we'll say. One way is by converting into whole circle bearing, other way is without converting that into whole circle bearing, right? In the year 1967, right? So it is the magnetic bearing in the year 1967. Then when the declination was this much, if the present declination is 3 minutes west, right? If the present declination is how much, you can say? Present declination is your 3 minutes west, right? Then what you need to identify? Then the whole circle bearing of this line is, right? What is the whole circle bearing of this line, right? You are asked to identify, right? So if you just observe 3 degree, it is not 3 seconds, it is a 3 degree, you can say, right? What is it? You can say whole circle bearing of this line. So here in the question, whole circle bearing is only asked, means in a 1967, right? 1967 whole circle bearing or this magnetic bearing will be equal to how much? Everyone, the magnetic bearing, whole circle bearing is equal to how much, you can say? So it is nothing but this value, na? So 360 minus, right? How much it comes to be? That 360 minus 59 degree 30 minutes, right? 360 minus this 59 degree 30 minutes, right? How much it comes to be? How much it comes to be if we just observe, right? 360 minus, so that value comes to be 360 degrees minus 59 degree 30 minutes, right? What is the value? 300 and 59 degree 30 minutes means how much it comes to be? That 300 degree 30 minutes, right? 300 degree 30 minutes, you can say, if you just observe, right? Now what is that a true bearing? If you just observe, you can say at the time, what was that a true bearing at that time? True bearing will be same, na? True bearing is equal to magnetic bearing, because this declination is given as east, so magnetic bearing plus eastern declination, right? Because it is east declination, right? What is that magnetic bearing? You can say 300 degrees 30 minutes plus what is that east declination? 4 degree 10 minutes, right? 4 degree 10 minutes is your which one, right? 4 degree 10 minutes is your east declination. So this is your true bearing, if you just observe, right? What is that a true bearing? You can say then. So this plus 300 degree 30 minutes plus 4 degree 10 minutes, right? Plus 4 degree 10 minutes, you can say, right? What is the value? 304 degree 40 minutes is the true bearing. But at present what is the situation you are having? At present there is a situation, right? What is the situation? You can say at present the situation is the true bearing will be equal to magnetic bearing minus western declination, because at present what is the declination given? Western declination. Then you are asked to identify the magnetic bearing at this present now, right? So what is that a true bearing? True bearing will be same, na? 304 degree 40 minutes equal to which one? Magnetic bearing you are asked to identify, right? Magnetic bearing minus what is the western declination? 3 degree. So then what is that magnetic bearing in terms of this whole circle bearing? You can say 30, how much it comes to be? Just observe, right? 307 degree 40 minutes, right? 307 degree 40 minutes, you can say, if you just observe, right? So 307 degree 40 minutes means which option it will be? Option B will be the correct one, huh? Yes, option B will be the correct one, you can say, is not right? So now coming to this next one. So anyone select the answer? 225 question. Somebody select the answer. Write the question number and answer. Meena said D and Ramesh also said D. Right. So what is the answer? You can say the whole circle bearing of a line is 230 degrees and it's a reduced bearing is, right. What is its reduced bearing? You can say, if you just observe simply that 90 degree west. So what is that 90 degree west? You can say it is nothing mentioned, right. Simply 270 degrees means this is your north. If you just observe, this is your which one? This west, you can say. This is your east, you can say, and this is your south. So what is that 270 degrees? If you just observe, 270 degrees means this is from here we have to maintain an angle of 270 degrees. So this is your 270 degrees, like this we are having, right. So can we say what is that we can give for this? For this, with respect to south, what is it? You can say south 90 degree west, and with respect to north also we can say that a north 90 degree west, right. So which one is correct? South 90 degree west or north 90 degree west? Simply it is 90 degree west. Option D can be correct, na? Is that no? Any 90 degree, right? Any 90 degree, right? Any 90 degree, right? South 90 degree west and north 90 degree west, right? So simply what is that? You can say both it is valid means simply that a 90 degree west, right? What is the meaning of this 90 degree west? It can be from south or it can be from north also, you can say. Is not? Is that clear, everyone? Right. I'll be moving on to the next question. Select the answer, all of you. This 226 question, all of you. Select the answer, everyone. Select the answer, everyone. See, Meenaji said C. Other answer by others? Any other answer? Ramesh and Meena both said C only. We'll just check it, right? We'll just check it which one is correct. Leena also said C. Yeah. The equivalent whole circle bearing to the reduced bearing of north 25 degree 30 minutes west is, right. North 25 degree 30 minutes west is, right. What is that northwest? You can say this is your north and this is your south. So this is your east, this is your west actually, right. What is that line given? It is in between this northwest, na. So between this northwest, which angle it is there? This angle is given. Let us say this is a theta. What is that theta equal to? 25 degree 35 minutes west we are having, right. Line AB. Now if you wanted to get this whole circle bearing, what we need to do? We have to measure this angle of this line from north in the clockwise direction, na? In the clockwise direction, right. Yeah. What is this alpha? You can see if you just observe. What is this alpha? Yeah, alpha is equal to, right. What is that alpha? Alpha is nothing but your 360 degrees minus this theta, na? Whole circle bearing if you just observe, right. What is that? You can say 360 degrees minus what is that theta? You can say that 25 degree 35 minutes, right. What is that? 360 minus 25 30. How much it comes to be? Can we say it is your 334 degrees 25 minutes? Yes, option C will be the correct answer, right. Which option is correct? Option C will be the correct answer if you just observe. Is that clear, everyone? Yes, na? Right. Now coming to this 227 question, select the answer, everyone. 227 question. Yeah, today Saturday actually last week, right, not last week, before last week what we have done, two other classes we have taken other than surveying. So those two classes we have compensated one class on the last week Saturday and one more class this week Saturday. Okay, from next week onwards Saturday we may not be having classes. Okay, only Monday to Friday will be having. Okay, don't worry. Select the answer for this. Yeah, Lena said yeah. And any other answer by others, all of you? I told you no? Yeah. Okay, Meena also said yeah. Right. Meena said yeah and Lena said yeah. And what is it? Another? Any other answer? Yeah, Ramesh also said yeah. So the back bearing of a line having a forebearing of south 12 degree 24 minutes east will be. So what is it you can say? South 12 degree 24 minutes east, right? What is it you can say? Forebearing and back bearing exactly are in the opposite quadrants, na? Isn't it? Forebearing and back bearing are exactly in this opposite. Forebearing and back bearing are exactly in this opposite quadrants, or not all of you? Yes, forebearing and back bearing are exactly in this opposite quadrants. Right? Do you remember that? We have discussed this many times. So what will happen? That is south theta east. It will be which one? This is forebearing. Then what will happen to this back bearing? This is south will become north, and this theta will be as it is theta, and east will become west, right? Simply you remember like that, the opposite quadrant, right? So what is it now? That back bearing is equal to south will become north. Same, north 12 degree 24 minutes west. So which one it comes to be? Option A will be the correct answer, na? Yes, absolutely. Now coming to this next question, 228 question. Select the answer of you. Select the answer, everyone. Ramesh, Meena, you write the question number and answer, because those who are attending in recorded, it will be helpful for them, no? Yeah. Actually, we just skip this question, right? We just skip this question, all of you, because it is a deflection angle question. So we'll discuss about this deflection angle a bit later, right? We'll discuss about this deflection angle in the next part. Okay, we'll just skip this question, all of you, right? Because here in this part, what is the heading we have made? 2 point. So this is 3.2. Only numericals on the bearings, included angles and declinations only, right? So the deflection angles we'll do it in the next class, right? Deflection angles we'll do it in the next class. Okay, next topic, right? After this bearings and basic calculations gets over. Okay, right, don't worry, we'll do it in the next one. You take this as 228, then you just take it as 228, all of you, then answer. Yeah, this is AB and BC. Okay, AB and BC. Select the answer for this question. 228 question, make it 228 and answer this. So the deflection question we'll be solving in the next class, don't worry. Select the answer of you. B or A. Okay, B, we'll just check it, right? If the four bearings of lines AB and BC, right? If the four bearings of which one? These lines AB and BC are 190 degree and 39 degree respectively, right? So what is it for AB given, right? What is it for AB given? If you just observe, for AB it is how much, right? For AB it is how much? See, Okay. Yeah, Meena said B and Ramesh said A and Sandeep said C. Right, we'll see which one is correct. Right. What is that? Yeah, I have typed answer by mistake already. Okay. Yeah. Anjanelu said A. We'll see. Right. If the forebearing of the line AB and BC are 190 degree and 39 degree respectively. Right. What is that AC forebearing of this line? AB means 190 degree means it is in which quadrant? So this is 90 degree, 180 degree, and it is in this 190 degree means it is in the third quadrant. All of you. It is in which quadrant? You can say it is in this third quadrant. Na? It is in this third quadrant. All of you just observe. This is your which one? This 190 degrees. This is in this third quadrant 190 degrees if you just observe. Yes, na? So that is A. And this is B. This is B you can say, right? Yes, na? This is your B you can say if you just observe. And BC, what is the quadrant of this BC? Yeah, what is it BC you can say? Third quadrant, and BC line is 39 degree. Na? So 39 degree means it is in which quadrant? 39 degree means it is in which quadrant? It is in the first quadrant only. No? Yes, it is in the first quadrant only you can say, right? So that is your B, this is your C, right? So what is this angle you can say? So this is your 10 degree. Na? Here can we say this is 180, right? From here to here it is your 180 degrees, and this is your 10 degree we can say. Na? That is 10 degree, and this is also how much you can say 10 degree if you just observe, right? And what is this bearing of this BC given if you just observe? Bearing of this line BC is given as how much? 39 degree. Na? Bearing of this line BC is given as 39 degree. And what is this line if you just say all of you? This total is 39 and this 10 has gone. Remaining is 29 degree. Option A will be correct. Na? It's not first quadrant. That will be the first quadrant. Sandeep, it is given as 39 degree. Na? 39 degree means first quadrant, right? So now tell me. So this total is bearing of this BC, right? With respect to this north, this one is having 39 degree, and this 10 degree has gone already, and remaining will be how much? 29 degree. Yes, na? So like that you will be getting. Is it clear, everyone? So whenever these included angles are asked, it is better you go with the diagrams. That will be easy, right? It is better you go with the diagram. That will be easy, right? Yes, na? Right? Now select the answer for this last question for today. So this 229 question will solve. The deflection angle question will solve in the next time. Don't worry. 229 question, select the answer of you. D. Any other answer by others? Magnetic bearing of a line is given, magnetic declination is given, then the true bearing of this line, right? Simple, it is simple. Yes, and Ramesh also said D. Any other answer by others, all of you? Right, Ramesh said D and Meena said D. Magnetic bearing of a line is what? 62 degree 20 minutes, right? What is that you can say? Magnetic bearing is equal to 62 degree 20 minutes, and magnetic declination is 2 degree 50 minutes west. Then the true bearing, right? What is that a true bearing you can say? True bearing is equal to magnetic bearing minus this western declination. Na? So what is that a true bearing you can say? Just so magnetic bearing is your 62 degree 20 minutes minus what is that? 2 degree 50 minutes. 2 degree 50 minutes, right? That is your true bearing if you just observe, right? How much it comes to be, everyone? So 62 minus 2, 60. So minus 50. So what it will become? 59 degree, right? 59 degree 30 minutes it will become, right? 59 degree 30 minutes. Which option is correct? Option D is correct, na? Yes, option D is correct, right? Like that. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone of you? Right? Is that clear, everyone? Yeah, blur means Sunil. Yeah, you have to change the video quality, right? Sunil, you have to change the video clarity. So what you need to do? Sharath, good evening. You just click on this video. At the top, that settings symbol will be there. Na? Click on that settings symbol. That machine gear symbol will be there. Na? There in that, click which one? This quality. And in that quality, go for advanced. In the advanced, you select which one? 360 480 pixel. If it is 144, it will be blur only. You select at least 360 or 480 or 720 1080. If you select at least 360, it will be visible clearly, right? Video quality, by default video quality will be, you have selected, right? You have selected low video quality for your videos. Okay, you just change it and it will be clearly visible. Okay, Sunil, right, I'll be closing the session. Thank you all of you. Again we'll be meeting on Monday. Okay, Monday will be continuing with these questions, all of you. Okay, right, thank you.